Question 22. The total weight of 5 boxes of pears is 350 kilograms. What is the total weight of 3 boxes of pears? We're told then that the total weight of 5 boxes of pears is 350 kilograms. So 1 box, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 boxes and 5 boxes altogether have a total weight of 350 kilograms. So first of all we're going to find the weight of 1 box of pears, and we're going to do this by dividing 350 by 5. There are 5 boxes, so if we divide the total weight by 5, this will tell us the weight of 1 box. This might appear to be a hard calculation, but if you think about dividing 35 by 5, this may help you. Think about counting in fives first of all. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. This is 1 group of 5, 2 groups of 5, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups of 5. So 35 divided by 5 is therefore 7. We have 350 though, and you can see that 350 is 10 times greater than 35. This means our answer will also be 10 times greater, so instead of 7 we'll have an answer of 70 kilograms. This means that each box of pears weighs 70 kilograms, because 350 divided by 5 gives us 70 kilograms in total. So now we know the weight of each of our boxes of pears, we are asked to give the weight of 3 of those boxes. So box 1, box 2 and box 3. This means we're going to need to add together 70 and 70 and 70. You may be able to do this mentally. You might, for instance, know that 3 multiplied by 7 is 21, so 3 multiplied by 70 would therefore be 210. If you don't know this and you can't work that out in that way, then you could add together 70 3 times like this. So 70, 70 and 70 using a column method, and we have 3 zeros in our units column, so this would just be 0. Then we have 7 and 7, which makes 14, and another 7 would make 21, so we'd write that like this. This means that if 5 boxes of pears weigh 350 kilograms, the total weight of 3 boxes of pears would be 210 kilograms.